Hey everyone, Faruk is here and you are watching Good XP. Once again, hey everyone, Faruk is here and you are watching Good XP. So I am doing a lot of stuff here and this is all already failing. Okay, never mind. So let's take it from the top. My name is Faruk and you are watching Good XP, and I wanna talk about what Good XP is. So it is basically my attempt to be a full-time game dev, to be able to publish and develop my own games and publish them. And I realized it is not just a realization, but it is more of an enlightenment. If you think about it, I am trying too hard to make this really professional, but no one is expecting that from me except myself. And so I realized that I don't have to be too hard on myself, and I realized, okay, maybe I can just take a chill pill, like the young people say nowadays. I don't know why I said that, but anyway, I wanna take like a really casual approach to this, and I don't want to fill in all the silences. I don't want to have the perfect show, perfect performance each and every minute. It is just me, just trying, experimenting, and if I get some friends along the way, I just want to have some meaningful and fulfilling conversations with them, and that is going to be my mantra or my motto that I would be repeating to myself as I go. So what that means is everyone is doing their best, and I am doing my best as well. Not with just the game development, not with just the streams, but overall in all aspects, in all branches, all avenues, paths that I am taking in my life, with all the people in my life. I'm just trying to do my best. And it's okay to sometimes struggle or feel some difficulty, and it is okay to be vulnerable or be exposed while you are vulnerable. I guess I forget that. Yeah, I had some experiences that taught me not to be vulnerable in public, not to be vulnerable in front of other people. But I guess as part of a rehabilitation, I need to unteach myself those learnings. So yeah, this is where we are gonna take this thing, and we will make it more manageable in the long run. I'm trying to understand if music is too loud. I hope it is not. So this is music. I'm gonna check it is ducking against the microphone, and the ducking, I don't know if the ducking is working. I don't think so. So I'm gonna just make it maybe, oh, this is too much. Now this is too much. So maybe we can make it a bit more easy, and then it would respect my voice. Yeah, when I speak, it goes into its own corner, doesn't mess with me. Yeah. So this should be the overall starting point. Hey Vishal, welcome. Welcome. I just saw your message because I realized I haven't put my chat window to this side of my workplace. Let me put it there. Welcome. It is so nice to see you. So I have things ready for me. Okay, cool. And then what can we do more? We can add the avatars and let them run around. Yep. That is cool. Okay. So what I'm doing is, for today's agenda, I'm trying to refactor this stuff. Basically, it is not going very fast, but I'm trying to make it work somehow. This is a bit of both. This is, hey Samuel, welcome. This is my learning path for now, but also I am kind of working in tangent to what I am thinking like a commercial game, what a commercial game can be. So I'm trying to take parts of it and try to build it like single game mechanic at a time. At least that is the plan. I'm just in the first one. I'm stuck in the first one. So what I have done is when I started in February, I think, and I experimented a bit with Godot, with Blender. Then I decided to go 2D. Then I decided to go 3D again, and then finally by April I figured out, okay, it is not going anywhere, so I need to somehow. Hey Samuel, so you are a Turkish guy. Nice. Why Godot? Because it is the best engine as an open source. Sorry, as an open source choice. Last year I was really investing my time and energy towards Unity, but then the entire drama with the Unity runtime fees happened and I decided to pivot. When I am still starting, I decided to pivot to Godot, and I don't think that is a wrong choice. Strategically it was the right decision. I see a very bright future for Godot. Yeah, now the Brekkie is back and kind of endorsing Godot. GD script has its limitations, in my opinion. I'm working on my job, on my regular practice. I'm working with TypeScript, with JavaScript, and compared to that, the maturity of GD script is like way behind. So that is, yeah, that is a fact. But at the same time, it is still early days. With all the feedback that we are as developers using it, eventually I think it will mature to the levels of other modern high level programming languages. Yeah, it just needs some time, and that's okay. You need to be very, very explicit, unnecessarily explicit most of the time, which is weird, which is not good. But I think with each iteration of the engine, they will eventually patch it up. Yeah. Welcome, Frost Framework, by the way. Thank you for the comment. So here we are. Let's continue. I don't know if you are first time viewers. This is the game I made. Oh, we got a follow. Thank you, Samuel. Hoş geldin. Teşekkürler. And that was Turkish. So anyway, so yeah, I was telling the story. In April, beginning of April, I decided to commit to a game jam, and I intentionally selected a 1 month long game jam because I know I couldn't deliver anything in a weekend or something, all the while learning and between my regular schedules. So I committed to a month long game jam, and that was the game. In this game, basically you try to solve some puzzles. The premise is you are a robot. It might not be obvious from the artwork, but yeah, you are a robot. So it doesn't have any sound effects, or it doesn't have any game feel like VFX, etc. You don't get this tactile feedback when you interact with stuff, but it's still something I made. Yeah, so you can go try to play it. It is buggy, and it has a lot of like unfinished and weird stuff happening with it. So yeah, you can basically, what you do is you match the puzzles. Let me show. So I need to go here. Yeah, so you have this, and what you want is you want to achieve this state, and you can use these buttons. Like we can move the thing down and then right and then change it and open the door. So that is the game. And if you do it long enough, you basically finish the game. Yeah, and then there is this energy level. If it reaches 0, it is game over. You cannot move anymore. But there are recharge stations all over the world, and they are like endless. So if you leave the room and return again, they are reset, so you can recharge again, and this just goes up. So that is just okay. Yeah, this is the game. So you open doors and you win. There is a win screen somewhere. Do I have the... I don't know. There must be a screenshot somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, so this is it. Yeah, maybe we will see someday. Maybe it will evolve, it will change skin, it will be a 3D game. I don't know. We will see. Right now I'm trying to... Hey Patrick! Today we have the avatars before you brought them up. Welcome. So I had to skip Friday and I had to skip yesterday's streams because Friday was, as the Germans call it, Brückentag. Thursday was a holiday and then there was weekend. So they decided to bridge the day in between, and it was a school holiday and my son was home. And we spent a lot of time with my son on Friday. So that is why I had to skip Friday. And then yesterday he was sick and he was home again. So because of that, I had to skip again. But now I am alone in the house, alone in the apartment. I sent everyone away. This is just me, my computer, my R2D2 sitting on the webcam. I'm speaking to it. This is just, let me show. I'm speaking to this R2D2 I hijacked, stole from my son, and put it over the cam because now it feels like I'm talking to it. Yeah. Anyway, for some reason I have a huge fascination towards robots and post-apocalyptic settings. Maybe it is because I am disconnected to my emotions. Well, there is another level there, I guess. Anyway, let's yeah, family comes first, of course. Yeah. Samuel, where are you hailing from? Where are you? What do you do? If you like to share, of course. So yeah, let me. Oh, I got a phone call. Wait a second. Yeah, hello. OMG. Living in Turkey, you are a student. Nice. What are you studying? And you are working with Unity. Cool, cool, cool. I had a delivery, and the guy was not very fluent, neither in English nor in German, and we had a difficult time to orient him and let him find the apartment. So that is why it took me so long to return back to the stream. You will be a ship captain. Oh, that is very cool actually. Yeah. Yeah, except for it takes a lot of I mean, you stay on the vessel like a lot. I think you can spend little time on shore leave or whatever. I don't know. I think I'm just extrapolating what I know. Anyway, so good. That is very interesting. I like to, you know, have a cruise experience at least once. They are stuck. Let's explode them. How does it work? Let's throw them away. Oh, there is something going on. Whoa. Whoa, wait. Maybe he returns, maybe not. Anyway. Let's go. So, I have done zero coding. So let's go back to it. So I was working on the door now. And let's get the door scene here. I moved the transition area into the door. So now they are not a separate object in the world. And that's a good thing. And now, no, we don't need the door data. But we have this door.gd. I think it's all okay now. Yeah, it is still a bit sloppy here, but that should be fine. If we go back to our levels, I messed up the set player position method for now, but this is okay. Yeah, I can. I need to do the. I can reach the level 2 now, right? Let me see. Now I pick it up. I can go to level 1. I can pick this up. No, I cannot. Okay. So we are not able to pick up the transformers. Let's fix that up. And then we can work on opening the door. So we can work on fixing that, make it work again. Yeah. Keep the door open. because there can be other deliveries. Let me check those. In fact, I will move it here. Check my Amazon stuff. No. Out for delivery, out for delivery. This is handed to neighbors. This is always what they do. They deliver it to a neighbor. Hey! Hey! Oh, we got block my face. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Coolio. How do you like the new additions to my overlay, Patrick? I added this this rotating text under my name, under my cam over here. Yep. And then there is this band going down, kind of a ticker. Yeah. So anyway, what we are doing now, we are trying to... I am disoriented as always. Of course, I am distracted. Stretch. Yeah, let's stretch all together. Nice. Stretch our neck and hydrate. These are all cool stuff. Nice. Nice. I started listening to Conan O'Brien's podcasts, which are great. If you haven't already, I would highly recommend doing that. So I replaced this, but at the same time I'm keeping this. Not to connect. 1 goes to level 0. Wait, oh, I need this. Conan doing podcast, yeah, for more than 5 years, I think. I always knew about that, but I never listened. So, yeah, Team Coco here.
Yes.
No,
hello.
shut
my
up.
name is
There we go. Videos. You see, and they are in video format, like in short clips. But all, I think it is Spotify Conan podcasts. Yeah, Conan O'Brien needs a friend. That's it. Yeah. Right now I'm watching the videos, but yeah, he's funny. I like him. This is cool. This is cool. I would definitely recommend them. So, okay. Let me work. I can't work. Story of my life. No, it is not. I usually deliver. I usually procrastinate and then work really productive, really efficient, really fast, and deliver comparably faster than others. That's the truth. That is the truth. Yeah. What is this one? This is level 1. Move down here. Okay, so we cannot pick this up. Let's try to pick this up. Let's try to see why we cannot pick it up. There is the transformer, which does nothing. Of course we cannot pick it up. So let's go back to our player script. Before, my player was doing everything, but then I changed it, and now I let everything do their own stuff. Right here, you see. So we are gonna remove this altogether. And then I just realized, you know what? I just realized where is that? There is picking the artifact tile. Let's find this. I put it into the process. Let's put it into unhandled input. Unhandled input. Yeah. And then we can just say like this one is underscore. Let's just do it like this. So this should just work. Why are you complaining? Is not present in body. Body is a node 2D. We know it's a node 2D. Cool. And then I think I'm just gonna copy this. So instead of process, we are gonna do it like that. Not 2D. This is me procrastinating, guys. Fixing weird squiggly lines. Yeah. Recharge.visible. Recharge is... Where is that? There is no reference to this in the code, which is ugly. Is it in the prefabs? Yes. So this is the recharge. So let's make it ready. On ready, recharge, which is a sprite 2D, and then we can make it small. Ooh, oh no, okay, that's okay, that's fine. Recharge, and we fix the squigglies. Nice. That is also nice. Cool. So stone tile, recharge station, artifact tile, these are all fixed. All I need to do is to do the same for my transformers. We need this one. Player in range, that is needed. And then we all need these stuff. So here we put them in. What it is complaining about? The indentation, really? Should I do it with a tab? Really? Oh, we got some event happened. Let me check. Okay. Come on. You follow, but then when I check again, you become an unknown user. Come on, guys. Why? Is it working? Like, unknown user. Let me show it to you. Oh, I cannot. Oh, I can. So, let me show you what long-lived Chao Twitch scam is going to be in a couple of hours. This. For some reason, they appear in the stream. They put some promotional text. And then they become this. Ah, yeah. And I don't have to do anything about them. Twitch take cares of it. So for some reason, when I paste, it removes the tabs and adds them as spaces. No, they disappear. They disappear from the follow list as well. Yeah. So you are working with Unity. What kind of game are you making? I had a friend in high school who become a ship engineer, engineer or something like that, something along those lines. And he was, did I say she? No, I did not. So he was the first among us who like had a lot of a lot of like money that he can save, money that he can spend on whatever he wants. And back then, it was very cool working on the ships, because he was the first among us that can have some financial freedom and financial flexibility. That is what comes to my mind first. Yeah. Hard to explain. Well, you can try. What was I doing? I was doing this. So if input is this, we are gonna do this. Wait, what is that thing? We are gonna do this, but this needs to change probably. And then I need to queue free, destroy the thing. Yeah, and if we go here, we need to figure this out. Oh yeah, okay. Same with captain, but lower responsibility. Sounds like good. Sounds like a good deal. Ah, okay. Oh, university exams. Yeah, university exams are bullshit. Yeah. In range transformer. I don't think we are using it anywhere now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna drop this. I'm just gonna drop this. And I don't think I need this also. We can send it as a type, as a parameter here, which should be a string, I think. Let's double check. It's a string name. Okay. So let's send transformer function. And this should be a string name now. What are you complaining about? Type is never used. Okay, give me some time. I'm gonna use it. If transformer inventory has type, okay, yep. Change battery level. Energy required to pick up. Okay, let's make them int. Those kind of stuff, you know. Some of the types can be implicitly assigned, deduced. That is cool. Yeah. Don't worry about it if you are worrying about it. It doesn't mean anything in the long run. Okay, so we should have fixed it. Pick up the transformer. Now the transformer is doing this. I think this is okay. I think we should be able to pick up the transformer now. Let's see. No. Too few arguments. Okay, let's find it. I'm using this somewhere else. Okay. On interaction available, we make it tween. Okay. So let's reload. New game. Pick it up. I should make it false. So, come on. Okay, at least we can pick it up. But I don't get here. If body is in group interactables, so is it not? Where are my transformers? Come on, man. Group interactables. Okay, so it should be interactables. Move down, interactables. Move left, interactables. Interactables. Move up, interactables. Yes, they are all there. Body, if body is in group interactables, on interaction available true. On interaction available true means doing all these stuff. Yes. But I need to go here. I need to go to signals. I need to say body entered, connected to the script itself. I need to also connect this one. Right. So now they are connected to on body entered, on body exited. Wait, how did we pick up that thing? Because this is not there. And player in range. That is what is needed. Yep. It is there. Yeah. So, where are we going? Anything, any topic that is worth speaking about? What do you think, guys? OpenAI released a new model that was very interesting. I am dying to test it, especially with the desktop app. But I just retired my MacBook, so, and they only have a Mac app coming up. I don't know when they will release a Windows app. That is a bummer. Yeah, it looks very interesting. The tech demos are always a bit tricky, and you always need to take them with a grain of salt. And it even shows like briefly during the demo event as well, announcement event. The mobile phone is connected to a cable, and the guy picks up the phone from the desk, and then the cable shows, and I think they are probably some journalists. He might have thought that they will be curious about this, so he explains without anyone asking, and he says that this cable is just there for stable internet connection, high bandwidth internet connection, and that by itself explains the current limitations with the AI. Yeah, like why the humane AI pin or the rabbit didn't work out. They were like, I think it is safe to say, or we can kind of conclude that they were not very good product launches, because it requires internet connectivity all the time, and the latency is huge, and you cannot get anything productive with them, anything meaningful. Yeah, it works like when you ask what is the distance between Earth and Moon, and then wait like 5 seconds and then get an answer. It is not very impressing anymore. So you need something that is there with you, responsive, and like gives you valuable or productive info, feedback. Otherwise, it is just a toy that you can entertain your kid. Yeah, the cable was probably for that. They didn't want any mishaps, any unfortunate stuff happen during a demo. So they made sure that the cable was there. They have recordings on the on their YouTube channel. In the recordings, you don't see the cable, because even they can do retakes, right? So OpenAI, yep. Yeah, this guy shows the cable, and then
Hey, how's it going?
shut up, man. I am not trying to be rude. Yeah, here in these recorded videos, the cable is not there. But here on the live yeah, on the live event there was a cable. But that's okay. I don't like, it is not a bad thing. They want things to go smooth, and it worked. So, what are we doing? We want to show the interactive this thing. It is not working for some reason. Where is my player? Let's get the player in. So here is my interaction prompt, which shows with the doors. Did we lose the on interaction available? Where is this thing? Wait, where is this thing? Interaction area 2D, on body entered, on body exited. So they are connected. We know they are connected because it happens for the doors. Okay, let's print the body here. Body.name. Why not? And for my transformer, this one is an area 2D. It has a collision shape, and since we are able to pick it up, it shouldn't be, it is on the, I think, current correct layer. Where do we see it? Collision here. Yeah. So I think it looks the same. My door has this collision area 2D. It has a collision shape. It is the same thing here. And they're on the same layer. Not this one. This one. Very, very interesting. So, this is not working. That is very weird. Oh, because it is, the body is not a node 2D. Maybe that's it. The door is the door is a static body 2D, which is what's happening? No. Wait, what am I doing? Yeah, door. Extends physic body. There is no inherits. Documentation. Where is my player? Door. Transformer. Yeah. Area 2D. Door is a static body. Area 2D and collision shape. And for my transformer, it is an area 2D. Maybe that is the problem. Maybe. Area shape entered. Area entered. Body entered, area entered. We need this. And then this. Shit. What are you doing? What? Where did my code go? Oh, I think it is because I didn't save it. I can fix it later. So if we copy this and paste it there, and then for some reason the indentation is not working, which is stupid. Pickup transformer requires a type. What happened? When did this returned? Didn't I saved it? Yes. Okay, we saved it now. So this should work now. Hopefully. I don't know. Who knows? Yes, okay, it is working. I'm not getting the... Okay, it is working now. And we can pick this up. Nice. And now we are gonna make these affect these. Speaking with pronouns. That is the way to go. Okay. Cool. So let's figure that out. I think I'm gonna put that into artifact data here. You see, I have the toggle lock, which does a lot of stuff. That is the limitations that we were talking about. Here is a good example. Of the limitations with GD script. You see, it complains. So we have a problem. The text editor in Godot doesn't complain, but here we have this problem. The new stones has no static type. So, but if I put a static type here, what happens is, so we know these stones is a stone data, an array of stone data, but when we map it, the type becomes vague, becomes ambiguous, and GD script doesn't know what the type is anymore. So it doesn't know what new stone is. But if you do, for example, like this thing, if you do it like this, it still doesn't know what new stones is, and still is not sure about this thing, even after we cast it. So anyway, this was a weird problem, and thank God there is this assign method, which as you can see assigns elements of another array into the array, resizes the array to match array, performs type conversions if the array is typed. So that is the tricky part here, that is the critical part. So we know underscore stones is array of stone data. So if this parameter does not, if this has type, we cast it automatically to this type. So this works perfectly for me. But if we say underscore stones equals new stones, this creates a casting error that you cannot assign array to array of stone data, or you cannot assign array of stone data into array. And that is one of the limitations with GD script now. Shit. Okay, moving on. And I have a typo in my debugging log. Debugging print. Anyway, guys. So, what are we doing now? What are we doing? This is me going blank. Oh yeah, I was writing these. So now can I make these static? Grabbing some snacks. Nice. Guten Appetit. Bon Appetit. Afiyet olsun. Yeah. Toggle lock. So anyway, so move up should do basically what we want to do is we wanna get new stones and map each stone and return new stone data with position -3 mod 9, something like this. And then do this. What is the first artifact I pick? I am too lazy to put another scene into the level. This thing, okay. So move down. We need that. So move down, let's see. So does it work? Print new stones. Let's see. New game. Pick it up. Pick it up. Oh, this is not working. So this thing is not working. Okay, let's figure that out. So it is in the artifact UI. I'm gonna refactor this thing. Okay. On button pressed, it says game state, apply transformation, but we don't have it. I intentionally, let's do it like this. Nope. So we have artifact. Now I shouldn't do this, should I? I have artifact data and artifact. I should access to this one. Or do I? Yeah. Artifact dot underscore data dot stones. Yeah. Dot no. Come back. I don't need to access the stones. Dot move. Yeah. Move down. So we get the transformation type. And then we can have these functions, I assume, like this thing. Yeah. Fuck this thing. So here on my artifact data, I guess, we can have these functions. We can just I think we can just do this. And you are complaining about these not being there. So right, move down, move up, change rune. This should work. So if we come back to game state, then we should select dot functions dot call. Yeah, so this line happens now, and we don't have to do it on a loop. We don't have to do these fuckery, because it all happens right here in a very easy manner. The only thing I'm not sure is this remainder operation. If it is, yeah, there are edge cases, some edge cases, and we will figure it out now. So let's try to run it, pick it up, pick up the artifact or the transformer, whatever. So big moment. Okay, I have no idea what happened, basically. Oh, maybe we changed it, but we didn't render. Let's check. Let's check before trying to fix it. Maybe it's already working. So we pressed down once. So now I need to see in my game state, in my artifact, in my stones data, in my stones, this, let's go, it is 1 4. So value is 1, which is true. Position is 4. 1 2 3 4. Nice. So if I press one more time, it is going to be 1 7. Now this is the weird part. 1 7. If I press one more time, what is it going to be? That is the problem. It is going to be 10, which shouldn't be. Position 10. Why? Because I think I need to put these in parentheses. That is one thing. That was an oversight. So let's try again. 4. 7. Now what it should be is 1, right? Come on. 1. Okay, it is working. So move down is working. Move up might be the problem, because it is going to go into the negative area, and I'm not sure how the negative remainder works with negative values. But if that is the case, we can just add 9. And then it should work. But maybe we don't need that, because I think I have, yeah, like +3. Yeah, just for good measure, let's just add that. Where is it? There is too many things. Okay, so here we are just gonna add 9. And move right is going to be right is going to be adding +1, yes. Yeah, if it is 1, we are gonna make it 2. And then make it 11. And then remainder to 9, which is 2. Okay. And then move left should do -1. And change rune should do not the position, +1 +3. I think we have 3 stones at the moment. Remainder 3. And it should just keep the... Whoa. Okay. You see these squiggly lines? They cannot be avoided now. Okay, let's put some stuff into the world. Into the world. Yeah. Let's pull in left, right, up, change. Oh yeah. Let's see. Let's hit it. Pick it up. Go. I should pick these up. Okay. So, changing didn't work. Oh, it worked. It worked. We are not rendering. Let's fix that as well. So, now we need to render the artifact. Artifact state changed. Maybe I should emit this. Because when it is changed, we render the artifact. Yeah. Let's do this. This should be all happen in here. Let's get it started in here. Let's go. New game. Boom. Go. Pick up. Open up. Change. It's changing. Did you see that? Let's move up. So it should come here. Nice. Let's move right. Let's move left. Right, right. Oh. What happened there? Out of bounds. Get index 0. What? Add artifact GD40. Here. Wait, what? What do you mean? I don't follow. Can I lock this? Yes. Move it, lock it. Right, right, right. Ooh. Ooh. We have a logical fallacy here. Move down is not working. That is weird. Ah, shit, I know what's happening. Because remainder of 9 is 0. How did I fix it here? Because it was 0 based. Because it was 0 based. Now it is not 0 based. Artifact data. So this is if it is 0, this becomes 9. I mean, var calc equals no, I don't have it. I can't do it. I need to do it here. Ternary. Remind me how to write the ternary. Truthy value if true condition, else false value. Okay. So this one, I don't like this. Come on. Truthy value if truthy value is not 0, else 3. Here we are gonna do the same. So we are gonna pick this up. Truthy value if this is not 0, else 9. Yep. We are gonna copy this. If yeah, I think this is our life now. If this, if this, yeah, it's fucked up. It is not cool. It is very hard to stay upright, upward position in the correct posture. And I was pushing my hands a lot because there was a mic. I had this mic stand and I was putting it here, and so I had to position my keyboard after that, but that was causing to push my hands a lot, and it was causing this inward rotation on my shoulders, which is like a proto hunch. So I put the microphone on this arm, which doesn't block anything on the desk anymore, so I can pull the keyboard and mouse. But then I think I can do this, yeah, because if I put the keyboard in the middle where I am happy with, I don't know, it's hard. So anyway, why it is not working? I need bigger interaction areas. Okay, let's see. Let's try to make it 9. Okay, so now it is working. The only thing, problematic thing is this. And we need to fix the game over. So we can't do if we are moving it right or left. I would be able to do it because it was in Cartesian coordinates in 2 axes. Now I cannot do it because it is just an value between 1 and 9. So if it is 1, 2, 3, when it is moved to the right, I want it to go back to 1. But if it is 4, 5, 6, oh, this is weird. This is a weird problem. How should I do it? Is it still working? Nope. Okay, I would like to remind everyone present here, you are listening to, you are watching. What is this? My Windows is activated. I get this same thing yesterday. What is this? I cannot click in here. That is very weird. My computer is acting very strange. I didn't. It is like 10-year-old key upgraded all the way to Windows 11. Yeah, they are all attached to my Microsoft account, and I have, like, I'm not using all my keys yet. I should have at least 6 keys. That is weird. Oh, this is just popped up yesterday, and I think my Windows is failing. Because I cannot also this Bluetooth audio devices are not connecting as well. I'm getting this weird error. I think Windows is not working. You see, it freezes. Anyway, how do we fix this? Move right, move left. Move right. So there should be an elegant way. If it is 1, 2, 3, the remainder is going to be 3. So no, the remainder is always going to be 3. Oh yeah. No, I know it. I know it. So it is going to be like this. So we are gonna get, first of all, we are gonna get current position function. Let's write the function. Function move stone. Something like that. Right? We get a stone data. We get a stone, which is stone data, and the direction. Nah, what are you doing, man? What? Oh, this looks very cool. Do I like Copilot or not? So why do you need this? You can duplicate it. There is a duplicate function. No, this is going to be a string name, right? And we are gonna say direction int value or something like that. Yep. And here we are gonna come on, you can do it. Ah, sorry. What? Okay. But if we are doing, hey, welcome, 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 curry sauce connoisseur. If it is left or right, and we are doing this, if stone is locked, return. That is true. That's true. Else, if direction equals left or direction equals right. Yeah. So how do we do this? How it is going? It's going great. I had to skip my scheduled Friday and Monday streams, but I am back here on Tuesday. I skipped based on some family stuff. Basically, one was holiday and the other one was a sick child. But I am back here to bury myself in more code. Maybe I should stop doing the, yeah, maybe I should change it, and if it is at the end, it shouldn't it should get stuck, maybe. If it is left or right, what should happen if it is left or right? I am feeling a bit there is something inside me that keeps me like writing brute force code. Let me explain. So we can write if the position is 1 2 3, or if the position is less than or equal to 3, and then we can do some assignment. Then we can say if it is less than 6, and then if it is less than 9. But that doesn't feel very elegant. So the easiest way, and the thing that would work, we can say if stone.position is less than or equal to 3, then do this. So I need the position. Var new position. Okay, and then here we are gonna say new position equals, if it is less than 3, what are we doing here? Stone position if it is less than 3, it means 1 2 3 1 2 3. It should be 0 minus 1 plus 3 divided by 3. As if stone position less than equal to 6, it should be no. It is, if it is 4, for example, and we get right, it becomes 5 plus 6 over 5. If it is 5, we say go minus 1. If it is 4, we say go minus 1. We go 3 plus 6 is 9. Remainder is 4. It didn't work. Wait, what happened? It should go to 6. So here we are at 4. If we go left, it becomes 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Remainder of 6 is not working. This is so let's figure this out. New position, stone position. So let's say we are at position 1. Easy. We are here. Position 1 is 1. And we want to go left, so it becomes 0. 0. How do we make it 3? We do the remainder, and then finally we add plus 3. We do the remainder, and then we add plus 6. We do the remainder, and then add plus 9. I think so. I think this should work. Let me see, or my mind is not has stopped working. Let's pick these up. Let's go to the door. So no, what happened? Oh, because I didn't use my new function. Shit. move left here. We are doing everything. So instead of this, I want to do move stone. No, I want to do what? We don't have to do this. What am I doing here? We don't need that. We have the stone. We have its position. And then we return this. Yeah. Can you go away? Return stone data dot new. Stone value, new position. Moving the stone makes this thing. So here we take function stone and return move stone to the left. Move stone to the left. What happened? It's because it returns void. It returns stone data. Hoş geldin. Nereye uğradın? Neredeydi bunlar? Ha, onu sor. Şimdi kapatacağım birazdan gelirim. Okay, so now this should work. So instead of this function, I should be able to do this. Instead of this weirdness, I should be able to say down. Do 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 dum do do dum. It needs some oiling. I purchased a VD40. I will. Okay, it is working. Nice. Move right is not working. Move up is working. Move left is not working. Okay. So 7. It should have been 9. But what happened? Artifact data 71. Okay. Yeah. We sent 7. 7 falls into this. So what happens is 7 minus 1 is 6 plus 5 is 15. Wait. We want the baseline to be 4. Wait. 15. Wait. And this should be again put into remainder. My mind is not working anymore. So 7 minus 1 6 plus 9 15. Remainder of 15, remainder 9. So 1 2 3. So 9. 10 is 1, 11 is 2, 12 is 3, 13, 14, 15, 6. So 6. I always want to get plus 3. This is also wrong. If it is 7, if I loop back, 6 plus 3, 9. If it is 8, 8 minus 1, 7. 7. I always want to add plus 3. Yeah. My mind, my math is failing me. I am disappointed by my lack of math. So this one worked. Let's go down. This one, okay, going right does not work. This one does not work. Shit. Going right is not working. Going left is not working. Okay, this is it for me today. I will be back tomorrow on my regular schedule, streaming schedule. It is going to be 11:30. I will be here. Please be here. I'm gonna press this ending thing and I will be gone. We have 5 people. Let's go raid someone, guys. Thank you, Samuel. What is your real name if you want to share it? Let's be here back 11:30 CET tomorrow and let's find someone to raid and go. Caner, memnun oldum. Tekrardan teşekkür ederim aramıza katıldığın için. Okay. I feel like they are like big streams going on around. Let's go to, I never raided him. Let's go to Captain Coder. He's a fine gentleman. I'm gonna pick up his name and then we will go back here and then we will raid. Okay, I will see you tomorrow. My name is Faruk and this was, you were watching Good XP and now we are going to raid Captain Coder. Go say hi and see you tomorrow.